minute to note. If it's not a little dance or song playing, Afrobeat, Dufton don't know what to do with himself. He's like, all I know is what I know.
That seemed like dancehall, Afrobeat, pop, hip-hop, rap, rhythm and blues, everything wrapped up in a one.
Big garage music, Prodigy,
What
by the
kind
way.
of music?
House music.
House music?
Yeah.
That can play in my house.
Tune, it's a tune. And you do the big fish, little fish dance.
No.
Fire starter.
No.
Twisted fire starter.
That's how when you have inside fever, you try to work it off.
Guys, I like it.
I realize that you like it.
I miss house music. Like, I like everything, you know. Sometimes I feel like we just kind of box ourselves into just one way of...
It's a box. You deserve a box. But box yourself in.
We don't condone that kind of talk here, Dufton Shepherd.
You can't box yourself.
Negative.
But feel like you ever try to dance to that song, you hurt yourself like you pull something. I'm a fire.
It's good, man. It's a vibe.
I'm a fire starter. I have a box of matches.
Twisted fire starter.
Any type of music that
whatever.
When you're jamming to it, your voice needs to change from this to something wrong with it. Can you hear someone go, I'm a fire starter?
That's because I love it.
When I go for my crucifix.
Liar tell. When I talk about chronics and I go down with the voice.
Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Tuesday. The sun is out. Nisha Yen here is out.
Can we just clap that the sun is out? Can we all just slow clap the sun? Slow clap.
Clear now,
the rain. Hey, hey, no guys.
I drove to Negril on Sunday.
I'm hot.
And when I was on the toll, on the way to Negril and on the way back, I was driving like 30.
Yeah.
The mist. Like
yes.
I was like,
that's always really bad. But speaking of the roads though, speaking of the grill and the roads and everything.
No, right now you have roads in the middle of potholes. It's like some roads,
It is, I mean, when I saw the footage, I'm sure you guys have all seen it now, of Gordon Town and the fact that there is no road. When you see some person's houses and the mud coming into people.
But you see that road, it's hard to really build a stable road there because it's on the side of a hill.
It was built though.
Right. But listen, it's Mother Nature, you know. And Mother Nature decided for moving.
No, but I feel like we know how it moves, so there's some things that shouldn't
you
happen.
You can never know how.
No, man, it's rain.
You can
Don't build your house on sand. It says it in the Bible.
You see, when you listen to music like that one to your brain.
You see? No, the Bible said that, guys.
But it's not sand. It's a hillside.
Sand. It's not rocks. Don't rocks me, sir. About rocks. Anywho.
ROCKS. So due to the coronavirus pandemic, we cannot have a studio audience for a while. But your audience at home, we still love to have you participate with us. So what we want you to do is to send us a video of you or your family member watching Daytime Live, post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live and tag us on your Instagram stories, and we're going to show it on the show. Now, tag us when you post the pictures, don't DM us, don't send it to us.
We can DM Dufton, he likes it.
Yeah,
but also on Facebook today, yes, we have one photo we're going to show you today. And this is from Gial Parks.
It's Gial.
Gial? How would you say it?
Gial. I thought it was G-Y-O-L.
Hey! She's like, hey. Oh, you see the hearts though?
Yeah.
You see the hearts? Yeah. I feel you.
Craigie,
I feel you.
Yeah.
Her boo. Craigie's, hey, okay. So we have some great news.
Gial.
Gial. Or Gial. I don't know. Reach out to us and let us know how to pronounce it.
It can't be Gial. It can't be the Gial.
So on Friday, we are going to have our audience back, but not in person as yet. But via Zoom. So what I want you guys to do is look out for our posts on Facebook and Instagram on how you can sign up to be a part of our audience.
And guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media. On Instagram and Twitter, it's at TVJ_Daytime Live. And on Facebook, it's TVJ Daytime Live.
Yes, and you can also catch back shows via onespotmedia.com, and on YouTube, just search Daytime Live TVJ. Okay, let's get buzzing. So, America has chosen Democrat Joe Biden as its 46th president. CNN projects, turning at a time of national crisis to a man whose character was forged by aching personal tragedy and who is pledging to restore calm and truth after Donald Trump's exhausting and manic single term.
Now, in a victory speech Saturday night in his hometown of Wilmington, Delaware, Biden said he was humbled by the trust America had placed in him and reached out to those Americans who did not vote for him. Now, Biden also said, and quote, "I understand the disappointment tonight. I've lost a couple of times myself, but now let's give each other a chance. This is the time to heal in America."
So classy. Also, California Senator Kamala Harris, his running mate, who will make history as the first woman, the first Caribbean American black person, and the first person of South Asian descent to become vice president, noted the significance of her place on the stage Saturday night when she says, and I quote, "While I may be the first woman in this office, I will not be the last, because every little girl watching tonight sees that this is a country of responsibilities."
The possibilities are endless. Yeah,
And
now
possibility too.
a few Jamaicans took to social media and they were a tad upset that Kamala didn't mention her Jamaican father in her victory speech as vice president-elect. Now, the question is, do you think Jamaicans are overreacting? All right.
I personally, I do think they're overreacting. I think when it's your moment, Dufton, when it's my moment, I have a right to thank whoever it is that I feel have contributed to me reaching where I am in that moment. You know what I mean? So I think it's her right to say what she wants, to thank whoever she wants to thank, you know, and if she doesn't feel that her father contributed significantly in such a way that warrants her, maybe. So maybe I need to, I don't know. Yeah, but like
next
I said,
couple
I feel
months
like,
going to be interesting though.
Yeah.
Let's see, but anyway.
Guess
Let's
what?
see what happens.
Guess what? In more politics, we've also chosen another leader here. Mark Golding, the St. Andrew South Member of Parliament, has been elected as the 6th president of the People's National Party.
Now, Golding amassed 1,740 votes to clinch victory. His challenger, Lisa Hanna, polled 1,444 in an election where 96% of delegates turned out to vote.
Yeah, I am not surprised that he was elected. I'm happy that it was as close as it was. I'm happy. I remember when I was on here and I was like, I think Lisa Hanna would make a good leader of the party. And it was like, what are you talking about? But it was like, But I think she would be good. I like the changing of the guards that's happening. I feel that the world needs a certain amount of shake-up. And I feel that Lisa would bring that. However, I am still happy, you know, that Mr. Golding is also,
Funny enough, I don't like close elections. I don't, because it shows it can translate to a split.
Okay.
When you have so many persons, when the margin is so close, it's almost half of the delegates voted for one and other half voted for the other. Will that be a reflection of the party going forward? You understand? So, I mean, after the last general elections, I'm sure that they decided that, hey, we need to shake up some things, move some things around. And, you know, because we need good representation. I mean,
we need people that represent the people. I feel like I'm tired of seeing, this is Nisha and Jones talking now, just me personally. I would like to see where politics looks more like the people and looks more like the majority and less like the minority in anywhere.
Looks? Oh.
Looks. Yes, feels. I need it to be a little more
for me,
representative of the people, the majority of the people. That's what I gotta say.
For me, I just want it to be a case where we're not voting for the best of the worst. Two of them bad, I would say, make us see who is not as bad, rather than we're like, hey, these two are really good, so it's really who,
Yeah, I love that. I would really like to see where politicians just really love the people. And they're there for the people and not what they can get from the people, like all the time. I would love to see that. But that's just my rant. On that note, Daytime Live will be right back with much more buzz. Join us after the break. The Super.